Hello my peeps, it's your girl Raj with Sharon. I'm going to do some cow foot today. This is some washed cow foot. So they already wash and clean. So I'm going to curry it. And this is all my seasoning that I'm going to cut to put in it. You have red bell pepper, onion, spring onion, thyme, ginger, and you have garlic. This is some pimento that I'm going to use. This is some all-purpose seasoning. This is Jamaican jerk. This is lemon pepper. This is bay leaf. And this is garlic powder. So I'm going to go ahead now to season up my cow foot. This knife is so sharp, so I don't want to cut my hands. Ginger in it. This is my garlic. Scotch bonnet pepper. It's really hot. So I'm just going to put, not a lot guys, because I don't really like pepper. And guys, this is my bell pepper. So this is my pimento. My all-purpose seasoning. My Jamaican jerk seasoning. This is about 1 tablespoon. My lemon pepper. My garlic pepper. I like a lot of garlic, guys. Lot of garlic. My bay leaf. I'm going to put 2. I put 3, guys. Then this is my better pack curry, but I put it in a container. So I'm going to put 2 tablespoons in it. Guys, this is my curry cow foot. I'm going to let it marinate for a while before I start it. I'm going to brown my cow foot before I put it in the pressure cooker. Please subscribe. So I'm putting in some oil. So this is my pressure cooker that I'm going to do it in now. And this is it. I'm going to do some spinners and put in it now. This is my flour. I'm going to have flour for dinner as well. So I'm just going to put some spinners in it. Guys, this is my cow foot with some dumpling, yam, plantain. Look at it, guys. This is my cow foot, as you can see, and chayote drink. That's chocho, we call it in Jamaica.